Welcome to my channel, Ana Lana. In this short tutorial, we are going to learn how to do this beautiful winter hat, and it's great because it's reversible and it's very easy to make. So stay with me through the whole tutorial. This is very short, and please give me a like and subscribe if you haven't done so. And YouTube has me as Anna for Lana. So when you see this little cat, just click it and there you will see all my videos. Instructions are for a medium to large size adult hat, and we will need yarn category 4, about 100 grams, no more than that, and a crochet hook of 5 millimeters. We are going to start with the slip knot, and then we are going to make 38 chains. So I just finished the 38 chains, and now I turn and I'm going just to locate that little belly, and I'm going just to make a single crochet. Here I pass through the little belly and a single crochet, and I'm going to continue like that until I finish with 37 single crochets. So now I got to the number 37, and this is the top. This is going to be the center of the head. And now I'm going to chain one, turn the work, and I will start with row number row number 2, and I will do 4 slip stitches. 2, 3, and 4. In the next 2 spaces, I will make 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. And now I'm going to continue with the design. I'm going to skip this one and I will do a single crochet in the next stitch. Now yarn over, and in the space that we left, I'm going just to bring the yarn and then yarn over and pull through, and now pull through and leave 2 loops and then close. So again, I'm going to repeat this. This one I'm going to skip. I'm going to do a single crochet in this one. And now I'm going to yarn over and use the space before, and then pull the yarn, and then yarn over and pull the yarn, and now I'm going to let 2 loops at the end and then close. So I already did 11 clusters of the design, and now I have 9 spaces remainders. So I will be making 9 single crochets. So I'm getting to the end of these 9 stitches. So I'm going to do my last single crochet, and now a chain, and I will turn the work and I will start the row number 3. So I will do single crochets for the next 9 spaces. So now I am at the end of my 9 single crochets, and now I'm going to continue with the pattern. I'm going to skip 1 space, and in the next one I'm going to do a single crochet, then yarn over, and in the space before I will pull through and then yarn over and pull through and pass, and I get 2 loops and then close. Again, skip 1 space, single crochet, yarn over, and continue like that until you end with 11 clusters. So I am at the end of my row, and this is the top of the head, and I will recognize it with the little string. So I have 6 stitches. So when you have 6 spaces, we are going to knit 2 single crochets. So this is my last cluster, and now 1 single crochet and 2. And the remainder 4, I will just do slip stitches. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here I am at the end, and I'm going just to chain, turn the work, and I will start row number 4, And again, I'm going to do slip stitch for the first 4, because remember this is the top of the head. And then I'm going to continue with 33 single crochets to complete my 37 stitches. Okay, so I am at the end of the row number 4. Therefore, I'm going to knit my last single crochet, then a chain, then I'm going to turn the work, and in row number 5, I will make 33 single crochets, and at the end, 4 slip stitches, because that will be the top of the hat. So now for row number 6 and 7, it will be a repetition of rows 2 and 3, which are the ones with the design. So to summarize, we have in the base is 9 stitches, single crochets, and then we have 2 rows with the pattern, and in total will be like 11 clusters going from bottom to top. And then we have 2 rows of single crochets. And then at the end, we have here, this is the top of the hat, and we have always 4 slip stitches. So in total, we have 66 rows. And if you fold it in half, it will be 23.5 centimeters, which is 9 inches. And the height is 22 centimeters, 8.75 inches. So 11 clusters of the pattern from top to bottom, remember. Okay, so now we are going to join the sides, and I'm going to put them parallel, and I take the first loop, and I'm going just to do a single crochet. So I'm going to take loop by loop from each side, and just to do a single crochet, so I continue with the same pattern that it has this elastic band. So now for the rest of the hat, in the part of the design, I'm going just to take um, a loop from each side, and then I'm going to do a slip stitch, and then take the loop each side and pass through. So it's going to be slip stitches. It will look like this. Now we are done joining the sides, and now I'm going to close the top of the hat. So I'm going to take a string of yarn, and I'm going to use a crochet hook because I don't have a tapestry needle with me. I just I'm moving to another home, and I left the needles in the other place. So this is what I'm going to be doing. Just pulling the yarn as close as I can. And then at the end, I'm just going to pull through and make this space as small as I can. And I'm just going to tighten it and make several knots. So this is going to be resistant. Then later I will just hide all these little strings just to make the hat really reversible and nice to wear in any way that I want to do it. Okay, so this hat is perfect. I love it. And I hope you guys all learn how to make it. It's very easy. And so please give me a like, subscribe, and I really hope to see you next time in my channel, Ana Lana. Thank you.